Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install Notepad++ or double plus as they call it on the Windows 10. So the process is actually very straightforward. Couple of landmines here and there, but we're going to go through it. You don't need to worry about that. So obviously the first thing you want to do is you want to find the software and you want to install the software. So I'm going to search download Notepad++. As you can see, it comes up on my search. So first things first, the first option that you have is Notepad++ on the official website. So you can either go here, which is the official website, and then you go to downloads, or you can straightly go to the download section. I'm gonna go with the official website just so you have a clear idea of just how everything goes. So here's the website. You want to go to download, right beneath download. You want to go to download, right beneath home. Then there's a section called Notepad download. Latest version. You want to get the latest version. Notepad++. So it can be a little bit tricky because you see a lot of ad stuff here. In order to make sure the ad stuff isn't some sort of spam or something like that, you can see like some advertisement for video games like that. We just wait a little bit. There you go, this little one with the box and the icon on it is the one you want to download. So depending on what version your Windows is, there is a 32-bit version and there is a 64-bit version. So my Windows is 64, so obviously I'm going to go with 64. I'm also going to go with the installer. That's the one with all the installation pack and things like that. So I'm going to click on install. As you can see, it's been downloaded. Now we open file, click yes, English, next, I agree, next. If you want to add something else, I'm pretty happy with it, you go next. If you want a shortcut on desktop, I don't, so we go with install. Takes just a tiny couple of seconds and we're finished. Now there's one extra thing that you may want to do after you've installed the program, and that is to have all of your notepads open with Notepad++. Now there are two ways about doing this. One is you can go to the setting and change it from there. That's a little bit complicated, so I'm going to teach you a way more easy and easier and simpler method that doesn't take a fuss. This is how we used to do it in Windows days. So we come here, and as you can see, I've left a little bit of a notepad file, which is what you want your Notepad++ to be. That's how you want to work it with. So I right click and then I go to open with, choose another app. Now before we continue, you want to click this. All you do is this app to open text files. As you can see, my second option is Notepad++. Now it is my default opener. Sometimes I'll teach you another one as well. Sometimes you don't get this as the first option. It doesn't appear here. So if you didn't see it here, click on more apps. Make sure to tick this before, because sometimes Notepad++ doesn't show up here. So make sure to tick that, and then click on this option, little option here. Click on this little option here, and then you want to go to C program files, Notepad+, and then install the application. So in case you didn't have it on the bar, that's how you tell your Windows about how to use it, basically. Now any text file that I have on my PC will be automatically opened using Notepad++. So that is how you install and use Notepad++. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.